Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Yes, mister.
Yes, mister.
Okay. Okay, good evening, my dears. My dear colleagues, this is Al-Sayed again. I'm so pleased to be with you today. I wish to spend a nice time in this session. So this is the second session in December and the sixth tag in our course. So our agenda today is more CPD areas, or our agenda will be about more CPD areas, understanding classroom language and Google Classroom tasks. So I'm gonna start by understanding classroom language. So how to plan your action research project, check learners' social language development, check if your learners' confidence levels have increased. So we will talk about an action research project to know how much you and your learners have developed social language, and if the learners' confidence levels have increased. So we will start with the steps of the action research project. Okay, this is the last part of the last session. Okay, and we will talk about it. Will take only 10 minutes. Okay, so the steps of the action research project. The first one: planning, analyzing, performing, and evaluating. Okay, so we will do this project to know how much you and the learners have developed social language, and if the learners' confidence levels have increased or not. So this is the importance of this action research project. Okay, so the first step is planning. So you should choose one of your classes that you will try to add more informal social elements to. Number two, decide which elements you want to add and how to add these elements. Number three, link learning English to real-life contexts, to real-life topics, rather than to passing an exam. And number four, set a time limit. What I mean by set a time limit, try to continue this for an extended period of time, such as a term. So this is the first step, planning for your action research project. The second step is analyzing. So you should find out your learners' interests. You should ask your learners about their interests by asking them directly or conducting a survey. So you can ask them about their interests or do a survey or conduct a survey. Number two, you may also want to check on some of the interests of the quieter learners in the class. The third step is start to allow few minutes at the beginning or at end of the lesson for some social chat. Depending on the lesson and the learners, you may want to have a regular routine, or you may want to change the timing as it fits with the lesson plan. And number 3, you could make this more exciting by using large topic wheel. So you can make a wheel, and you write down some topics in this wheel and ask one of them to handle or spin the wheel to choose the topic that you will talk about. Okay? And number 4, evaluating. At the end of the activity, yes, Miss Amani, do you have any question? You raise your hand. Number 4, evaluating. At the end of the activity, you should ask learners to fill in a self-assessment form about how confident they felt about talking about these topics. Okay, so you wanted to assess how confident they are. Okay, how confident they felt about talking about these topics, and evaluate the experiment by observing how much English is now being used in a class, and be letting them assess themselves on how confident they have become in using English. So this is the importance of this action research project. Okay, and now we will move to ways to raise the overall quantity of speaking throughout a lesson. So starting the lesson. Start each lesson by asking the student about their weekend, or previous evening, or talk about yours in a natural way. So, did anyone see the funny film on TV last night? Okay, personalized introductions to topics. So, exploiting the experience or opinion gap is a good way to lead in to a topic, to warm up to a topic. So for example, if the topic area is jobs, so students can tell each other about the jobs the members of their family have. Okay, and giving answers. When you're checking an exercise in class, if half the class are given one half of the answers, and the other half of the class are giving the remaining answers, so then the student must talk to each other to check their work. Okay, so this is the last part of the theoretical session that we didn't explain last time. Okay, so I will. Okay, please, I want you to watch this video and try to think about these questions. How did the teacher encourage her learners to speak? What do you like about it? And what would you do differently? Okay, so watch this video and try to think of the answers of these questions. Okay? Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Hello, everybody.
Do you hear the voice of the teacher?
Yes, Miss.
Okay.
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
How are you today? I'm so excited. Okay, what is the weather like today?
Sunny.
Sunny.
And cloudy.
Oh, is it partly cloudy then?
Yes.
Okay. It's partly cloudy. Oh yeah, it shows sunny though. Okay, and how do you feel today? Happy! Wonderful! Wonderful!
Okay, so can you answer? Okay, can you answer these questions? Can you answer these questions? Who can answer the first one? Okay.
Ask some.
Yes, Miss Shahinda. Okay. Who is speaking?
Yes, I'm Miss Shahinda.
Yeah, Miss Shahinda.
I can ask them about things they love in our list.
Yes. Okay. There's another thing?
Mm-hmm. No.
Okay. Okay, so what do you like about it, about this teacher, about the way she started this lesson?
Pupils are so cooperative.
Yeah, the pupils
Pupils are so cooperative.
Yes.
And are so active.
So active, and it's so fun, and they like it.
Yeah. They like it. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Okay. What would you do differently? What would you do differently? Okay, what would you do differently? Can anyone answer this question? Yes? Can anyone answer this question? Mrs. Ghada, Mrs. Iman? What would you do differently to start this lesson? Yeah? Can anyone answer?
Yes, please.
Yes? Who's speaking? Miss Zainab?
Oh,
yes.
Zainab.
Yes?
I can ask the children to look out of the window. Then ask them what's the weather like today? Is it rainy? Is it sunny? Is it cold?
Okay.
What do
At every time? At every time or on a specific time? At every lesson? Or when you talk about a weather or something like that?
About when I talk about the weather.
Yes. Okay, but she tried to start the lesson. The teacher here tried to start the lesson and try to use the classroom language, develop the classroom language. So here she asked about the weather. How do you feel? Okay, is it cloudy? Is it sunny? She tried to encourage the learners to speak. Okay, so this is a way to start a lesson. Okay.
I start the lesson by saying good morning. They say good morning, Miss. How are you? We are fine, thank you. I am happy to see you today. They say we are happy to see you too. Then I ask about the previous lesson.
I'm sorry. Miss Zainab? Miss Zainab? You miss? Yes?
Yes.
Yeah?
I'll say again.
Yes, please.
I start the lesson by saying good morning. The children say good morning, Miss. How are you? We're fine, thank you. I am happy to see you today. They say we're happy to see you too. Then I ask them about something that happened, such as what did you do yesterday?
Yes.
And everyone say what did he what did he do yesterday?
Yeah.
And so on.
Okay, thank you so much.
Yeah.
This is brilliant. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so
Thank you.
I will move to a summary of critical thinking. Okay, this video will summarize the ideas that we talked about in the last session. So listen to it or watch it carefully, please. Okay. No.
Critical thinking is all about asking questions. The right questions. Questions that help you assess both the meaning and the significance of claims and arguments. Building these skills and applying them in your life makes it easier for you to assess evidence, evaluate arguments, and adapt your thinking so you stay switched on and engaged in different situations. Critical thinking involves stepping back from a situation to enable you to see all the angles before making judgments or taking decisions. It means identifying the key points, analyzing the sources of information, weighing up different types of evidence, just as a judge and jury would do in a court of law, and putting it all together into your own independent, thought-through point of view. One thing that it's very important to realize is that critical thinking isn't about being critical. And it's about much more than just finding flaws in other people's claims. By itself, that isn't enough to give you an edge. To be a true critical thinker means being creative, reflective, and adaptable, evaluating the evidence to decide for yourself what is accurate, what is relevant, and do I have sufficient information to take a decision on this topic? Thinking critically means taking a stand for yourself. It can be difficult not to be swayed by close family or friends' views on things, or certain beliefs that just feel right. But learning how to use these higher order thinking skills can help you to feel much more confident in your own opinions and conclusions. Critical thinking is also about a sense of discovery and excitement. Not only about learning, but evaluating arguments to see how they stand up, and filtering for yourself what resonates as right or wrong. By using these techniques, you'll find yourself becoming a clearer, better thinker. Lnkat. Learn better, think smarter, aim higher.
Okay, this is a summary for the most important points that we talk about the critical thinking in the last session. Then I will move to another video about citizenship in the classroom, and the point of view of this video, or the main idea of this video. If you make a good citizen or make good citizens in the classroom, so these citizens will be so good in the society. Okay, so watch this video carefully. I think it's so fantastic, and I will search a lot about these videos. Okay, so watch it.
One of the best places to learn how to be a good citizen is at school in the classroom. You could say that a classroom is a little like a citizenship laboratory. Here you learn how to be kind to others, listen, follow through, and respect others' property. You can be a good citizen in the classroom by respecting your teacher. When they're teaching, listen and pay attention. You can also help other students who might need a hand. What about the property of the classroom? You can be a good citizen by not drawing on the desks or books. It also helps if you keep your desk clean and organized. One of the most important parts of being a good citizen is being kind to your fellow students. Respect their property and even their ideas. It's okay to disagree with someone's opinion, but it can be done without making fun of people or being unkind. One of the best reasons to be a good citizen in your classroom is so that you're an example to others. Hopefully, other students see you behaving appropriately, and they'll want to do the same.
Okay, according to this video, how to make a good citizen in the classroom. Okay, can you answer?
To be kind with others.
Yes.
To be kind with others.
Yes. Yes.
Cooperative and help others if they need.
Yeah.
To learn
Respect.
keeping the class clean.
Yeah.
Keeping the class clean.
Yes.
Respect others' opinion.
Okay. Please give.
Thank you, sir.
To give a chance to the others to speak. Okay. So you can raise your hand, or if someone speak, please just wait for a minute to finish his talk, and then you can speak again. Okay. So okay, Miss Amani, raise your hand. Can you give me another ideas? Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Okay. And you should respect the others. Okay, you should learn the students to respect the others and respect the others' opinions, to be kind with others, not to fight in the classroom, not to draw, don't draw on, don't draw in their desks. Okay, okay. So this is these are some of ideas that they said in this video. Okay, I will move to CPD, continuing professional development. Okay. Okay, only 1 minute. Only 1 minute. I want to take a screenshot for the names. Okay. And then I will continue.
Okay.
Please write down your names in the chat box. Okay. To be easy to take the attendance and the absence, please. Okay. Okay, I will move to CPD, or continuing professional development. Okay. Here I will talk about some words that we pronounce wrongly, okay, or mispronounced words. So the first one who can pronounce it? The first word, who can pronounce it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Who's speaking?
Miss Shahinda.
Miss Shahinda. Yeah, Miss Shahinda.
Comfortable.
Comfortable. Yes. Any other opinion about this word?
Comfortable.
Yes. Comfortable. Comfortable. Something like that. Comfortable. Comfortable.
Comfortable, yeah.
Yes. Okay. The second word, who can pronounce
Garbage.
it?
Garbage.
Yeah, who's speaking, sir?
Mr. Mahmoud. Garbage.
Yeah, Mr. Mahmoud. Garbage. Yeah.
Garbage, yeah.
Garbage. Excellent, sir. Yeah, garbage. Okay. The next word, please give a chance to the others to participate with us.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Data.
Data
Data.
or data.
Data, no. Data, no. Data.
Yes. Okay. So
Data.
okay, the popular pronunciation is data. Okay, data, not data. Okay, data. Okay, and as the mister said, data. Okay, as you said, te data. Yes, te data. Okay, so data. Okay, data. Okay, another word. The next. Yeah, the next word.
Chaos. 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 Chaos.
Okay, Mr. Mahmoud. Chaos. Yes, chaos. CH here we don't pronounce it cha. Yes, we pronounced it as ka. So chaos. Okay. So the transcription like this. Chaos. Okay. The next word. Who can pronounce it? Okay. Another one. Ms. Ghada. Ms. Amani.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Rada. Rada.
Rada.
Yes, sir. Rada. Rada. Rada.
Okay. Any other opinion? Any other opinion about this word? Yes. Miss Amal, Miss Shayma, Miss Shahinda, Miss Amani, Miss Ghada. Where is Miss Ghada? Where is Miss Ghada? Okay. Okay, we can pronounce it.
I think
Yes.
I think it's Rada.
Yes. Rada or Rada?
Yeah.
Rada.
Rada.
Ra. Ra.
Rada.
Rada.
Okay.
Yeah, Rada.
Okay.
Okay, so what is the difference between the next two words? Okay,
Sir, yeah.
yes, who's
Yes,
speaking?
sir.
Who's speaking, sir?
Mr. Mahmoud.
Yes, Mr. Mahmoud.
Angle, angel. Angle, angel.
Okay, okay, sir. Angle
Eh,
and what?
Angel, angel, angel.
Angel. Okay.
Angel, yeah. Angel, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Any other one? Okay, as Mr. Mahmoud said, angle, not angle, Mr. Mahmoud. Angle, dark L at the end of the word. And the second one, angel.
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
Angel.
Angel.
Okay. So the next
Yes, sir.
word,
Koya. Koya. Koya.
koyar.
Koya. Koya. We don't pronounce R. Koya.
Yeah. Okay. Another opinion. Another opinion. Okay, so angle and angel, and the last one, choir or choir. It's a choir. Okay.
Choir, yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Choir.
Okay. So the next one.
Yes.
Yes, miss. Go ahead.
Ambitious.
Ambitious. Yeah, what the stress on a or ba? On the first syllable, on the second syllable.
Second.
Yes, sir. And the second syllable. So ambitious.
Ambitious.
Yeah, ambitious. Okay, that's the next word. Yeah, the next word. That's easy.
Yes.
Yes, miss.
Breakfast.
Yeah.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Or breakfast. Or breakfast.
I think it's long E. Breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yes, sir.
I think breakfast.
Yeah, breakfast.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is a sound at the first syllable and the schwa in the next one. So please mute yourself if you don't want to speak. So breakfast. Okay. Next.
Capacity. I think capacity. Yeah.
Ka or ka?
Capacity. Capacity.
Okay. Okay, another opinion.
Capacity.
Another opinion about this word. Welcome, Mr. Mustafa. Okay, not capacity. Okay, like
capacity.
Yeah, like this. So it's ka and schwa at the first syllable. So capacity. Okay, the next word.
Mustache.
Yeah, mustache, as you said, sir. And there's another pronunciation, mustache.
Mustache, yeah.
And mustache.
Mustache.
Yeah, this is the two pronunciation for this word. And this is a British pronunciation. Okay, the next one.
Certificate, yeah.
Okay, another opinion? Only Mr. Mahmoud? I want another one. I want the other to participate with us. Mr. Mustafa, can you give your opinion, sir, in this word? Okay, Mrs. Muna. Okay, it's not certificate. It's certificate, like that. Certificate. Okay. Okay. The next one, I think it's easy. Yeah.
Important. Yeah, important, not R.
Yeah, without ra. So
yeah.
it's long O. So
Yeah,
you
yeah,
can pronounce important.
Important, yeah.
Yeah, like this, important. Okay, the next one,
Iron.
iron,
Iron.
Iron.
iron, iron. So
Iron, yeah.
what is the correct pronunciation? Yeah,
I think iron, I think.
yeah, that's right. It's iron.
Yeah, iron, yeah.
Yeah, like this, iron, without ra. Okay, so the last one, I think it's easy.
Flower.
No, yes, not flower. Yes, that's a flower, like a flower.
Flower.
Okay,
Yeah, yeah.
the same pronunciation of the plant, flower. Okay, so like this. Okay, thank you so much. Next. Okay, here this is the pronunciation of for, the preposition for, okay, in the sentence. So fair. You can pronounce this sentence like this. This is for you, not for you. This is for you. Okay, don't wait for me, not for me. Okay, that's wrong. Don't wait for me, that's wrong. Okay, you can pronounce it like this. Don't wait for me, for me. Okay, I'm looking for a job. I'm looking for a job, not for a job. Okay, so you can watch this video.
For becomes fur.
Anyway, this is for you. Don't wait for me.
Listen, I'm looking for a job in Tulsa.
I'm looking for coal.
So we don't say for, but we say fur. This is for you. No, say this is for you. This is fur, this is for you. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. So for is long. We replace for with fur. Don't wait for me. Don't wait for me. I am looking for a job. No, I am looking for a job. So replace for with fur. This is for you. Don't wait for me. I'm looking for a job.
Okay. Next, reducing pronouns. Okay, so the first question, did he go? Okay, if you want to make a reduction, you can say did he go? Did he go? Okay, what's his name? What's his name? What's his name? Okay, so you omit H or delete H. Okay, don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Don't tell him. Okay, so you omit H. That's her phone. That's her phone. That's her phone. Ask them to stay. Ask him. Ask him to stay. Okay, so you can watch this video.
Reducing pronouns. Pronouns are words like he, his, or him, her, or them. In these pronouns, we can drop the H when they're not stressed. So instead of saying, did he go, we can say, did he go? Did he? Did he go?
Did he go to jail? Did he go to jail?
Did he go over? Did he go over?
And instead of saying, what's his name, we can drop this H, so we can say, what's his? What's his name?
What's his name?
What's his name? What's his name?
Don't tell him becomes don't tell him. So tell him becomes tell him. Don't tell him.
No, don't tell him what I told you to tell him.
No, but please don't tell him.
That's her phone. That's her becomes that's her. That's her phone. That's her phone.
Can you give her a message?
Give her a 5-second friendship!
Ask them to stay. ask them becomes ask 'em.
You ask him if I didn't.
How can I ask them when I'm talking to you?
Ask him to stay. Ask him to stay. So reducing them is exactly as reducing him. So how can I know if it's him or them? I will know from the context of the sentence.
Okay, that's easy. Yes? Do you follow me?
Can I ask you a question, sir, please?
Yeah. Yes?
Do we need that in our classroom when we teach young learners?
Yes. What again? Again, please.
Do we need that when we teach young learners?
No, this is to develop ourselves, not for young learners.
Okay.
Yeah, this part,
So I
to develop
I have
ourselves.
bad connection. I go out and come again. Thank you.
Okay, so this part, CPD areas, we want to develop ourselves, so we try to share the information with others. Okay, with us.
Thank you, sir.
Together. So
I get it. Okay.
Okay, so this is the benefit from these videos. Okay, next, how to make a warm-up. Okay, so this is a video the teacher use his private warm-up to make a warm-up for his classroom, what you can call Bila Banana. So you can watch the video. I want to enjoy these videos. So, and try to think about these questions. Is it an interesting warm-up? Do you think all the students understand it? And what would you do differently? Okay, so watch the video and try to think of these questions.
Warm up right now. Hi guys, this is Mike from Mike's Home ESL. Today I'm gonna give you another warm-up for your class. It's called Peel Banana, so it's a very interesting warm-up, very fun to play with kids from the age of 3 till 8 years old, so you can use it in your class. Mike from Mike's Home ESL, warm-up right now. Now let's do another warm-up, okay? Look at me. You know what is it? Oh, that's his thumb, yeah? Yeah! But we're gonna say that it's a banana, okay? So, I know. But when you wanna eat a banana, first what you gotta do? You gotta peel, okay? You say, peel banana. Yeah. And if you wanna eat it, you can even chop banana. Chop banana. And then you gotta shake. Yeah, shake, that you can drink, yeah? So you say, shake banana. Shake banana. Drink banana. Drink banana. 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 No more. Banana. Banana. No more. So let's go now. We are big banana, okay? Okay, here we go. Peel banana. Very good. Peel banana. Chop banana. Chop banana. Shake banana. Shake banana. Drink banana. Drink banana. 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 hope you like the video. You can check it out as well, that warm-up.
Okay, so is it interesting warm-up?
Yep. Yeah, it's very interesting.
Yeah, it's very interesting. Do you think all the students understand it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is it fun?
Very fun.
Yeah. Does it make the students active? Does it make the students active, or is to be active?
Oops.
Yes. So I think the students are so ready to start the lesson. Okay. So what would you do differently? What would you do differently to prepare the students?
I can bring banana for each one. Photos or model of banana.
Yeah, yeah. In general, what would you do to make a warm up? Okay, or what would you do to start a lesson? Okay, you can do something like that. You can do.
Yeah, sing or a song or a game. We can make a game or a song.
Okay.
For more warming up.
Okay. Okay.
Especially for primary stage.
Yeah. Okay. He said at the first, at the beginning of the video, this warm up.
3 years to 10 years.
From 3 years to 8 years, I think. Okay. Okay. So
yes.
Next, Google Classroom tasks. So task one. Task one, which of these 4 scenarios is most like the start of your lessons? Do you think some of these are better ways to start a lesson than others? Okay, so you can read these 4 scenarios. This is the first task of Google Classroom tasks, and only 4 or 3 of you answer these tasks. So I want all of you again to read these scenarios and give us what's your opinion about these scenarios. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to do this activity. Okay, some of you answered this activity or this task in the Google Classroom. So please, if you answer this in the classroom, try to prepare your answer to discuss with you. And the others try to read these scenarios and choose one of them or give us your opinion about these scenarios. Okay, have you finished?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so I will start with those who answered the task on the Google Classroom. So Ms. Ghada Abdelaziz, can you yes, in English please. In English please.
حضرتك بترفع لنا الفيديوهات اللي حضرتك عرضتها فيه.
Okay, please can you speak in English please, Miss?
May you share video with you on the group?
Okay, so I will I will upload these videos. I will upload the sessions, the main sessions on the Google Classroom or on YouTube, and I will give you the links to try to revise the information that we have explained. Okay, so okay, I will post it on WhatsApp group, and I will upload the whole session on YouTube or on Google Classroom, inshallah. Okay.
Okay, fine.
Okay, so Miss Ghada Abdelaziz, can you can you tell us about your opinion in this activity or your answer about this activity?
Okay, sir. I said that I prefer the first and the second way of starting the lesson, but the third and fourth I don't like them because they waste time, and I think that no respect for the teacher.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.
Safa Hassan.
You're welcome.
Miss Safa Hassan. Miss Safa. Miss Safa Hassan. Okay. Miss Shahinda. Miss Shahinda, you raised your hand. Can you give us your opinion, Miss Shahinda?
Yes, yes, Mr.
Okay, go ahead.
I think the first scenario is the most respectable one.
Yes. Why? Why?
Because the students are mainly in their classrooms.
Sorry, again, please.
The students are mainly in their classrooms.
Yes, and this there is no chance to waste time and so on. Okay, Miss.
No.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Miss Shahinda. Miss Zainab Ahmed.
Yes, yes, Mr.
Yes.
The first scenario is most like the start of my lesson. I think it's more suitable for me because I have about 70 students at my class, and the period is very short as we have two shifts school.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Zainab. Okay. 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 Do you have any other opinion about this activity? Any other one? Yes. Do you have any other opinion about this activity? Okay. I wish all of you to answer these tasks on the Google Classroom. Please. The benefit of these tasks is to share the ideas and share the information with each other. Okay, so you can give a comment. Okay, only a comment about the task. Okay, it doesn't take only 10 minutes from you. So please try to participate in Google Classroom more. Okay, so the next task this is a lesson in Unit 2 in Unit 11. Okay, so the title of the unit it's rainy. Okay, so I want of you how to think about these questions. How would you take advantage of this unit in order to encourage students to speak more about this topic? Okay, that's the first one. And how would you integrate these skills? Critical thinking, collaboration, and citizenship. Okay, so you have 5 minutes to answer this activity or to do this activity. Okay, and please, those who answered this task, please prepare your answers. Okay. You have 5 minutes to do this.
Excuse me, Mr.
Yes, who's speaking?
The second part of the question.
Yes.
Ghada.
Yes, Ms. Ghada.
How would you integrate these skills? Was in the classroom task?
Yes.
I didn't see it.
Yes.
I'm sorry, I didn't see it.
Okay. Okay, you can prepare it. You have 5 minutes to do this. Have you finished? Hello? Have you finished? Have you finished?
Yes, sir, I have finished.
Okay. Okay, so at the beginning we will listen to this song. This song is was wrote down by Miss Ghada, I think. Miss Ghada? Miss Ghada? Miss Ghada Abdelaziz. Yes? This song was written down by Miss Ghada and the students performed it or sang it in the classroom. So we can listen this for this song at first, and then we will discuss the task. Okay.
I'm sorry, sir. I am here.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
I said that this song was written down by Ms. Ghada and the students performed it or sang it in the classroom. So I want all of you to listen this song. Okay. Okay, so this is a song, okay, that Ms. Ghada made the students to do or perform it in the classroom. Okay, so Ms. Ghada Abdelaziz, can you give us your opinion about this lesson? Okay. Okay, Ms. Ghada.
I read what I have written, okay?
Okay.
I think it is an interesting topic for young learners because it's suitable to our real life. They learn from their parents some information about weather and also that from nature. It's easy to notice all changes happening in weather every day. We can encourage learners to talk about the topic by showing them some videos and make a song about weather. Also asking them to see the weather broadcast with their parents on TV. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ms. Ghada.
You're welcome.
Okay, Ms. Marwa Muhammad, can you give us your opinion?
Yes. I can read it. Well.
Okay, why not?
Yes, I think weather-based theme is an important topic because pupils can see and feel it. Ask students about weather of today. Students can talk about the difference between seasons, what they feel in every season, and what happens in every season. For example, in winter it is rainy, cold, cloudy, and they may see a rainbow. In spring it is sunny and there are a lot of flowers. In fall it is windy, leaves of tree fall. In summer it is hot and they go to the beach. Finally ask student what is your favorite season and why.
Okay, thank you so much, Ms. Marwa. Okay, how can we use critical thinking in this lesson? how can we use critical thinking in this lesson?
We can make them imagine a fourth season of the weather by drawing, by talking about it.
This is a critical thinking?
Yeah.
Okay, what about ask them to make a comparison between the 4 seasons in Egypt and in the other country, such as in England, the weather in...
We need the technology information.
What?
Search on internet.
Okay, why not?
They want to search on the internet about that, yes, about that information.
Okay, why not? But I think
if they are very young, يعني, how can they do that?
Okay, we can ask them. Is it cold in Egypt?
Yeah.
What about America? Okay. What about England? I think they know that the weather there is so cold. I think.
Not all of them know America or England. Not all of them.
Okay, so what about
especially in village, yes.
Okay, what about I try to think with you. Okay, I try to think with you. Okay, what about ask the students, how can we help the student that has a problem with his umbrella? How can we help him? Something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So he has a problem in his umbrella, and we can ask them, how can we help him? Okay. So what about citizenship? Okay, so I can get benefits from this topic by asking many questions related to the picture to encourage the student to speak, like is it sunny, as you said, as all of you said? Is it sunny or rainy? Is it hot or cold? Is it cloudy? Is it windy? Which season is it? Is it winter, summer, autumn, spring? Do you like that season and why? What are you wearing in winter? Okay. So how students solve the problem concerning the boy and his umbrella? How they go home safely? Okay, safely. When they wear warm clothes, why do they wear warm clothes? I think this is a critical thinking. So make a mini dialogue is a collaboration. Okay. When the students work together or in groups and not individuals, they learn how to be active citizen. Okay, this about citizenship. And when the students follow the classroom rules and instructions, they are taught to be good and polite citizens. And the last one, when they are allowed to speak confidently and without pressure, they become more self-confident, and that's citizenship. I think so. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So that's it today.
Thank you, Mr.
I wish you benefited from I explained, and I wish you all a good night, inshallah, and see you next session, inshallah. Okay, so
goodbye, sir. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr.
You're welcome, sir.